Alright fellas, today we're going to talk about how to get your shirt from looking like this to like this. Let's get into it. What's good, y'all? Steve from the Dapper Aristocrat. And for a while now, I've been wearing my shirts like this. Now some people might think it's geeky and nerdy to wear your shirt like that, but I think it's cool. It's a lot of stylish guys that wear their shirts like this.
I don't see nothing wrong with it.
I mean, there's a time and place for everything. I mean, when you're kicking it, whether you're on a date, whether you're hanging out with your homies, whatever you're doing, it's okay to wear your shirt like this. But if you're trying to look sexy, that's not a good look. I got a confession to make to you guys. The reason why I wear my shirt like this is because I don't like the way my shirts look when I got them unbuttoned.
Sure, I thought you wore your shirt like that because your neck get cold.
I mean, when you first get your shirt and it's fresh out the pack, I love it. It looks nice, your collar looks crisp, everything looks dope. But after a few wears, then your collar start looking like this.
Bruh, you grew up at the 70s. Where the disco ball at?
Now, I've tried everything. From pressing my shirt, to adding starch to it, to even putting those little sticky things, you know, the things you put on your collar.
Oh, you talking about these disposable collar stays?
I tried all those things, but none of those things worked. But then one day, somebody put me on to $1 Million Collar. Now, I don't know if you guys are familiar with that, but basically what the $1 Million Collar is are these permanent plackets that get sewn in your shirt. It gives you that nice, crisp look that you got when you first pulled that shirt right out the package. Now these plackets are made to fit any type of button-up shirt. They're also made to last as well. Now you guys might be looking at these plackets like,
hey bruh, these are like them flimsy things you get in your collar. You know what I'm talking about? I'm talking about these.
Well, these plackets, you don't get those problems. They could be dry clean, they can be put in the dryer, they can be put in the washer. You can even iron them. They won't melt. Whatever type of plastic they use, I have no idea. But this plastic is made to last. Now, there's two ways that you can get these plackets installed in your shirt. One way is you can do it yourself. The other way is that you can take it to a dry cleaner or a tailor near you. Now the website can recommend a few cleaners that have done this before. However, I ain't had no luck with that. The closest cleaners or tailors that I could go to get these plackets installed in was probably about 30-45 minutes away from me. So I had to take to my regular tailor. Now they've never done this before. So what I did was I gave them the instruction card that shows you how to put the plackets in your shirt.
Dang bro, what happened?
They ended up losing it. I was not happy about that.
Time to find you another tailor.
But regardless of that, they did a really good job and they put the plackets in correctly, which was what mattered to me the most. With the way my shirt looked, I'm willing to get these installed in all my shirts. Now the great thing about this is that my shirt looked great. I mean, it looked just like it did with my first wear. But the disadvantage, y'all, was that tailoring price. I think I paid about $30 to get these installed.
$30?
$15 a shirt. Now, I'm not sure if all tailors and all dry cleaners will charge you that price. However, maybe they'll give you a deal if you get a bunch of shirts done. Another option is, again, learning how to do it yourself. I heard it's very simple. But regardless of all that, paying $30, I feel like it was worth it. I mean, it brought two of my shirts back to life. One shirt was practically new. I didn't wear it that often. It hadn't gained that wear that you typically get after you wear your shirt and the collar just start falling over, looking like you got a butterfly collar. But the other shirt, I had this shirt for a long time and it made that shirt look brand new. Now would I recommend this for you guys? Definitely. You can get about 5 plackets for $14, 10 plackets for $25, 20 plackets for $46, and 50 plackets for that hot $99. Not only do they offer the collar plackets, but they even sell the shirts with the plackets already installed. So now that I got the $1 Million Collars installed in my shirt, not only does it make my shirt look like a brand new shirt, but also it gives me the confidence to wear my collar unbuttoned. Not only that, I feel more sexy.
Hey man, good for you.
I mean, you just never know what the difference of having your shirt unbuttoned versus having it buttoned will do for you once you get home.
Bow, chicka, wow, wow.
So I recommend the $1 Million College just straight off of that. So if you guys are interested, I'll leave the links to the website in the description below. And I'll also leave a discount code as well to get you 15% off your purchase. Hey gents, if you guys are looking for your spring essentials for this year, check out this collaboration I did with Rich from Assemble Style and Ivan, aka Mr. Martinez. I'll leave the link up here and also in the description bar as well. Go check it out. Alright fellas, let me know what you think in the comments section below. Also let me know if you've ever tried these $1 Million Collar plackets and what did you think about them. Leave that in the comment section below as well. Always remember to be a gentleman, stay dapper, and I'll see you guys next video.